Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to be starting off some of the Mile Deep videos. So we're going to be testing 3 products today. We've got Black, which is a tire and trim dressing. We have Release, which is a citrus pre-wash. And we have Purple, which is an iron and fallout remover. The reason that I chose to do these 3 products in one video is because there is a wheel cleaning bundle on the House of Rags that includes these 3 products as their wheel cleaning setup. They do not have a dedicated wheel cleaner in Mile Deep. So we're going to be testing these out on my brand new wheels on my Mercedes, and we'll just see how they work. So the Purple, it says shake well, do not dilute, ready to go, single coat directly onto wheels, allowed to dwell for up to 5 minutes. While purple color reveals the product is taking effect, rinse off with a high quality pressure washer, repeat for heavy contamination. Release is concentrated. So it's natural citrus. It says 1 to 1 for heavy, 1 to 5 for medium, 1 to 10 for light. I mixed up at about 1 to 8 in this bottle, so I'm kind of in between medium and light. Apply a single coat, high quality mixing bottle, allow to dwell for 5 minutes. Do not allow to fully air dry before washing off. Take additional care in direct sunlight and or higher temperatures, can be diluted. Store in a cool, dry location, keep out of reach of children. So, directions are actually pretty good on these, nice and simple. There's one way to use them. There are precautions and everything else. The ready to use spray glass sprayers, which I do like. I've talked about those before. And without further ado, let's get started. So we'll start here, driver's side front, which is going to be one of the worst. Yeah, this has been on for about 2 weeks, but I drove almost 1,000 miles since then. So there's a fair amount on here. It is black, but you can see it is pretty heavy. So we're going to start off spraying with the iron and fallout remover. Okay. Interesting. It's got like a foaming action, which was kind of unexpected. Normally, iron removers are more like a paste. It's got good coverage, good cling. Nice foam. We'll let it sit there for a minute and then we'll get it rinsed off. And it says up to 5-minute dwelling time. Lots of purple, lots of running. It's collecting pretty well. Seems to be evacuating pretty well. I'm not going to let this dry, but we will let it sit for a couple more minutes. And today, just to be different, I'm going to be using the garden hose. Because why not? Not everybody has a pressure washer, so we'll try it out without it. All right, so I'm starting to see some patches of drying here, and here, and here. I'm gonna rinse it off now. Nothing too aggressive, just flooding the wheel, making sure we get it all. Get it nice and clean. Okay. Now we'll try the release. Again, I mentioned this is mixed at 1 to 8. So I'm using the same sprayer. This is a spray plast sprayer, which is what Marilex uses as well. This is a Marilex bottle, but only because I needed some sort of mixing bottle to put this in. It's got a good scent. It's like an orange scent. It definitely makes you think citrus. And this would actually have a pretty good amount of, it'd be a pretty good economical decision because of the amount of dilution that you can do. So we'll give it some agitation here. This is a Autofiber Barrel Blade, which is their brush. I like this because it's nice and flat and it fits into areas like underneath this caliper. Grab a small brush. Got a little Detail Factory brush here to deal with all these little pockets and areas. We're getting some fast drying again. Maybe we'll apply just a little bit more, keep that from happening. Seems like we're getting a lot off, which is good. These are new speed wheels. They're, like I said, about 2 weeks old. They are coated. They do have a ceramic coating on them. And we did Diamond Protect wheel on them. So let's rinse this off. Lots of black coming off of it. Check that out. Good hydrophobics from the coating. It's doing a great job of evacuating the water from the wheel. We've got our nice matte finish. Everything looks great. Cool. So that's it. Nice and easy. Next, what we'll do is we'll try the tire dressing. We're going to give this tire just a couple minutes to dry, and then we'll come back and do that. I'm going to work on some of the other wheels while that's happening. All right, so we've got a mostly dry tire, and this is a tire and trim dressing. Apply a small amount at a time to clean and dry high quality tire applicator. Allow to air dry for 5 minutes. So I'm going to use this. It's a Detail Factory curveball brush. It's a brand new one. Obviously, it's a different color than the one I normally use. Comes out like paste almost. Interesting. Okay, well, let's try it out. It honestly reminds me a little bit of Chemical Guys used to make a product, or maybe still does make a product, called Tire and Trim Gel. And that actually worked pretty well. But this reminds me a little bit of that. I don't know that that's a bad thing. It was one of the Chemical Guys products I actually enjoyed using. But it is thick. I like the curveball because it allows you to get into like all these pockets, all the letters. Get nice, even application. So put this on there. Sure we get down there, and that looks good. So we're gonna let this dry, and while it's drying, I'm gonna bring a towel over. We'll dry off the wheel. These wheels are gonna be a pain to keep clean. I already know it. They look so good, so we're just gonna get over it. This is OG Drying Aid, which I like. Mile Deep has a drying aid product as well, which we'll use when we're washing the car. But I just wanted something to be a sacrificial layer on the wheel, keep the wheels from getting marred up while I'm drying it. grab another wheel towel. This gauntlet's what I should have grabbed in the first place, not the FTW. Okay. I think we're at a point now where we can buff off our excess tire dressing. So we'll do that. Then we'll just put this towel in the laundry. Rag, towel, whatever you want to call it. There seems to be a hot debate. Been calling it a rag my whole life. Whatever. So that's it. Man, I think that looks great. Little satin finish, not a lot of gloss, nice and deep black. I think it looks really, really, really good. All right, so the first couple Mile Deep products have actually been really impressive. We did the tar remover on the I tested 6 tar remover so you don't have to video. Check that out. I'll put a link to it down below. The tar remover worked really, really well. It was one of the top performing tar removers in the test. Today we tested purple, which when we started off with that, it's an iron remover. It came out foamy, which is kind of nice. It seems to have a high lubricity, or a high amount of slickness. So if you're going to be using it with a decontamination towel or a clay bar or something like that, I think it'll do really well for that. It was a spray on, rinse off, remove a lot of the iron type of product, and it did a great job. Next we went to Release, which is here. Release is a concentrated citrus pre-wash. You can use this on wheels, you can use it on traffic film, you can use it on the body of your car. It gives you options from 1 to 1 all the way to 1 to 10. I did it about 1 to 8. Highly effective. Again, spray on, a lot of stuff rinsed off. I did do some agitation, but we saw good cleanup in the parts that I didn't agitate as well. So again, super highly effective. Smells great, nice orange scent. Given the amount that you can dilute it, seems like a great value. Don't use in direct sunlight, so that's something you're gonna have to deal with. And then we followed it up with their tire dressing, which is called Black Tire and Trim. And this came out really, really thick, went on well, very happy with the finish. We'll see how it holds up, but all in all, great user experience on all 3 of these products. They worked very well. If you're interested in testing out Mile Deep, link down below, House of Rags, IG10 is gonna save you 10%. It's also gonna give me 10%. I bought this line with my own money. So all of these reviews and many of the reviews that I do, I'm paying for the products 100% myself. When I'm done with the products, I often put them on secondhand detailing, sell them for around 50% off, and people get a good deal on testing out some stuff that I only use 10 to 20% of. It's one of those ways, again, that you help to support my channel, of course. So that's all I have for today. Again, really pleased with the products. They seem to be working very well. I've got the whole line to test still, so we'll see how they are. I haven't really heard a lot about the line, so we're just kind of figuring it out for ourselves as we go along. The next thing we'll be doing is washing a car with their snow foam and their shampoo, seeing how that works. So come back for that one, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Have a great day.